In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 reports for tax purposes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a complete trading history from MetaTrader 5, review the right numbers, and organize everything so it lines up with your tax filing period. As always, follow your local tax rules and consider consulting a tax professional if you're unsure how certain figures should be treated. Start by opening your account history in MT5. Press Ctrl+T to bring up the toolbox panel at the bottom of the platform, then click the History tab. This is where MT5 keeps a record of your deposits, withdrawals, and closed trades. Next, make sure you're looking at the full time period. Inside the History tab, right-click anywhere in the list and choose All History. For tax work, this is the most reliable view because it shows your complete activity rather than just recent weeks or months. Now generate a formal report. Right-click again in the History area and select Report, then Save as Report. Choose a location on your computer and give the file a clear name that includes the account and the date range, so you can find it later without confusion. If your MT5 version offers it, also export in a more spreadsheet-friendly format. Pick OpenXML, which is the Excel format. This makes it much easier to review, sort, and calculate totals without manually copying values. Open the report file using Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet app you prefer. Once it's open, you'll be able to scan through the rows and summary sections quickly. Focus on the items that matter for taxes. Look for total deposits and total withdrawals, which help reconcile cash movement. Find your net profit or loss for the period and the profit from closed trades. If fees or commissions are listed, note those as well, since they affect your bottom line. Different brokers and report templates may label these slightly differently, so read the summary carefully. Calculate your net trading result by taking profit from trades and subtracting losses, then subtracting any fees or commissions included in the report. That figure is typically the taxable result you'll use, subject to your jurisdiction's rules. If you need to file by calendar year, filter the data by the date column so you can isolate, for example, only 2025 or only 2026. This keeps your totals aligned with the period you're reporting. Finally, save a backup copy. Keep both the original MT5 report files and your Excel or CSV versions in a safe place. Having duplicates ensures you can recheck figures or provide documentation if requested later.